Uganda versus Chizabelo. Advocate. A ruling of the court.
What is the judge?
I wish you could identify those who are whistling and who are commanding others. On the 10th day of December 2024, the chosen council appeared before this court representing Colonel retired Dr. Chiza VSG and another in the above case. VPDF/TCM/04/0 of 2024. He expressed gross professional misconduct and he was warned that such a conduct is contempt of court. He was taken through the laws that make it an offense for the conduct exhibited and warned. Today, the 7th day of January 2025, when the accused entered this court, he immediately confronted the court orderly that was guiding him where to sit, but instead started assaulting the court orderly and banging the humble bars at the entrance. The chairman of the court warned him of the misconduct, but he did not take heed, but instead worsened the situation by making more noise, being cheered by the audience. This court finds the accused's conduct in contempt of this court and finds Chizabelo guilty of the offense of contempt of court, and is hereby sentenced to 9 months in prison to be served in Chitaria government prison. We saw Bernard Makindi this day, 7th day of January 2025,
Which case has it committed?
at crossroads. All citizens should be aware that where we are now, we are actually in a murder chamber, not in a court. Well, we want to see whether they will bring our lawyer back or not. But if they don't bring our lawyers back, then it means there is no case. There is no court. Kubanga court etakkiriza abajulizi b'abantu abalala obutayingira mu kooti. Eba teri court. It is, first of all, tukimanyi nti it is army and police that arrested Dr. Besigye and then it is the same court, I mean the same army that is now listening to the proceedings of court. They are arrested, they are the ones charging them, they are the ones getting in the matter. Everything is just around the army and around the army. What justice do they think a citizen can get from us? So, ekibaddewo kiri ab'amagye tebaagala bakulinda aba Dr. Besigye ne army okujja wano okuyimirira abantu Aaron Kiza abadde yingirire ku ntebe z'abalooya ne bamugaana okuyingirayo. Ekyo kitegeeza ki tebaagala bakulinda aba Besigye era nabo bagende mu kooti. Bwe baba tebabaagala batugambe nti wano tewali bwenganya. Era ekyo tetubadde tubakima banaasi kooti eno terina bwenganya. Olaba nti abantu bafa abalooya baabwe tebabakiriza okubawuliriza obaagala kino. Yesonga lwaki
twaze wano batugaana okurepresentinga abaklayant baffe obulungi. Lawyer osobola otya omugaana mwasozi tugaanira ku nti tetuyina client yamanya lawyer amurepresentinga. Kiza Aaron abadde aze kwogera na client we kakati amagye gasalawo ani ayogera ne client. So amagye galina okukosinga okukola gye tukola olw'okuba nabwo bavudde mu General Court Martial era tuwinize kubanga tulaze ensinti
balemesa ab'enganda z'abasibe naki babanga abagamba nti obaagala kukola kyabwe kubanga omusibe yenna alina rights kufuna balooya bayagala ab'enganda zaabwe okufuna access naki kati ku balooya Aaron Kiza bonna bamumanyi looya ase okuyingira okutuula balooya gye batuula lwaki oba omulemesa kubanga ayagala wabiri wakavuyo akateetaagisa kubanga olwedi abantu manyi nyino bweginyigiriza ennyo egy'omusaayi kati kyekiriwo olemesa looya okuyingira naye amanyi rights kwe kulemerako kati katulinde tulabe kye bagenda okukola.
Now you can see these people, today they have come prepared to beat us. Yes, and you can see today they were not ready. They told us they were
Kooti si abantu ene kooti y'abannamagye olwokuba munnamagye gwe bayisa bwe bati kooti y'abantu eri ebweru kino ekibadde wano tekisobola kubaawo olwokuba nti omuntu aze okuwolereza munne ate naye n'omufuula omusibe kati awo kiki ekyo obwannakyemade impunity eri mu ggwanga lya wano eriyitiridde naye ekizibu simanyi Luganda leka njagala mu Lunyankole lwe nayogera ebirungi simanyi Luganda Olunyankole leka nga mu Lunyankole mweneriiza oba twagwengwakago omukooti tikale bagafote iba kulwaniramu omukooti tikale bagabasirikale ne bakwata omuntu ne bamukoma omuntu ayizire kukolereza omuntu kandi bakagaka bakamuta omuchomi mbwenu ninyenda kubagambira ngu Ruhanga abantu mwena mwemerere mukwate Sara mushabiri yangeri yahwahoka yafa difire fu
we cannot allow orders to work in court. A court is a court. It is supposed to be independent and impartial. We need a court which is independent and impartial. Military courts are not courts because they are not independent, they lack impartiality. They are supposed to try their soldiers. In any case, even a soldier who commits an offense outside the UPDF Act is not supposed to be tried. This has been clear, we have made it. Which court does not allow a lawyer to enter with a phone? Which court decides who should represent a client? Which court refuses a lawyer to talk to his client? The military is forcing us to behave the way we are behaving. Until the military starts behaving in an orderly manner as they always do in their parades, then you will not expect the lawyers to behave. We shall continue challenging the trial of civilians in these courts. I challenged the trial of civilians during the Kabaziguruka trial. I was forcibly retired. I sued them, I won them, and I am demanding money from them, billions now. Now they want to arrest everybody. You will arrest us. You will arrest us and bring us to this court. But we shall not relent. And the more you arrest, the more lawyers who will come, and the more activists who will come. We are not afraid of anything. No. You will arrest us, you will detain us, you will imprison us, you will torture us, but we shall not relent. As far as trial of civilians in military courts is concerned, the law is clear.